Equilibrium of forces, the center of gravity. The center of gravity in physics, CG, is a point where the weight of an object can be considered to act, the point where the weight is gathered most mightily. It is a point where the entire weight of the object can be concentrated, and it is the point around which the object will balance equilibrium. So how can you find the location of center of gravity? We have different concepts and we have different diagrams to show for that. You can see them being displayed on your screen. Number one, we have symmetrical objects. The center of gravity is at the geometric center. Take note of that. Then we have asymmetrical objects. As a second triune, location of center of gravity can be found by experimentation or calculation. Then we have the composite objects. The center of gravity can be found by calculating the weighted average of the center of gravities of the individual components. So what are the properties of center of gravity? We have stability. An object is stable if its center of gravity is below its point of support. Then we have balance. Number two, an object will balance if its center of gravity is directly above its point of support. Then number three, rotation. An object will rotate around its center of gravity if a force is applied. Then number four, torque. The center of gravity is the point where torque is applied. So how do you calculate for center of gravity? The triune method. Number one, for simple shapes, center of gravity can be calculated using geometry. Number two, for complex shapes, center of gravity can be calculated using integration or numerical methods. Number three, the triune component. For composite objects, center of gravity can be calculated using the weighted average of individual components. So what are the real-life applications? We have engineering design. Center of gravity is crucial in designing stable structures and mechanisms. Number two, transportation. Center of gravity affects the stability and balance of vehicles. Number three, support. Center of gravity is important in understanding the motion of athletes and objects. Then number four, space exploration. Center of gravity is critical in spacecraft design and navigation. So in conclusion, we can say the center of gravity is a fundamental concept in physics that plays a crucial role in understanding the behavior of objects under the influence of gravity. Its location and properties are essential in various fields: engineering, transportation, sports, space exploration. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.